In our fifth video of the Power-Tec Nitrogen Plastic Welding series, we're going to tackle another front bumper panel repair. A hole has been punched right through the panel. Remove the paint and prepare both sides of the hole. Place aluminium foil tape on the front side of the damaged area. Then on the reverse, begin to weld in a plastic filler strip over the hole. Use the roller tool to flatten the material. When the foil is removed, we can see what a sound repair process this is. Smooth off with the DA and we are ready for paint prep. When you finish your plastic welding repairs, do not just switch off the welder. That will damage the welding gun. Make sure the compressed air line is still attached. Switch off the heat button. Wait for 5 to 7 minutes until the airflow through the gun is cool. Then switch the welder off. Versatile, quick, cost-saving and easy. The nitrogen generating plastic welder. Just one of the nitrogen welders in the Power-Tec range. All available from your nearest Power-Tec stockist.